What's up, everybody? We are going to be test fitting some overfenders that I got for the Skyline to make it a little thick boy. We got these awesome quality duraflex overfenders that are made to go over the rear doors and the rear quarter panels to give the car a thicker, like an OEM kind of GTR fitment. So we'll be coming out, I want to say it's like 25, I think, about. We'll be coming out, I think, an inch on both sides. I'm gonna test with them today. Just stick a little bit 3M tape on the back and stick them up to the door and the quarter to get a feel of how much work it's gonna be for my body guy Joe to make it actually look good. This is gonna end up going to him, and he's going to be painting these guys and molding them to the door and fenders, as well as OEM GTR front fenders that are going to be going on, and have those painted too. But those are just as simple as getting it painted and putting it on the car. It's easy. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting these guys out and then tack them up, and hopefully they look good. I spoke with one guy that has a R32 sedan that also went the same route as what I'm trying to do, and he said he bought 3 different kits and had to end up taking them to his body guy and mix matching, cutting, putting stuff back together between all 3 kits to get it to actually look proper. So I'm hoping that this is maybe a little bit more simple and straightforward, but we are about to see, because this is the only kit that I can even find for sale. So yeah. At least it works.
What's up?
I think I could probably get away with putting the spring on the top and then bending it in.
Maybe.
And hopefully maybe get something further along the bottom to stick.
Just JB welded on.
Yeah. Are you recording?
Yep.
Okay. So, this shit is like...
See how flat it is?
Pretty awkward. So to have it going on the top, like to mate with the top of the door, sticks out quite a ways. But what we just found is if we have it like on the door, it's pretty bendy.
You hear it just cracking.
So once it's on,
oh, it'll work. Yeah,
it'll work.
Maybe.
It's okay. It's gonna work.
We got some work for you, Joe.
Yeah.
But they're like, what are they, like $200 for all the pieces?
Yeah.
So, I mean, this is just like a case of you get what you pay for, but like when there's not other options, there's only so much you can do.
Yeah.
Unless you want to find some OEM GTR quarter panels and have those molded, but like where do you
buy those? Online. How much are they? $1,200 a piece. So
I mean,
wasting $200.
Will we pay that in body work? Maybe. But
no.
You would pay that anyways. We like to have those cut and fitted anyways. No. Yes.
I think paint is gonna be like, I don't know, $4,000, and then having these done, I think it'll be like extra $2,000. So $6,000 to have a better paint job and better looking car.
That's how much I sold my 370Z for. Why are you crying?
I'm not crying. Yeah, fucking hassle.
Thankfully, we're not doing it.
but I'm still gonna try 3M'ing them up if I can, if the 3M will stick.
Yeah, so I hold it up there so we can get a view.
How thick it's gonna be?
Yeah.
So at least we have the wing in the back, which kind of helps hold the back up. Let me see. Alright, and if I lock myself here, I'm gonna put my hand here. So I'm gonna take that mud flap off, but yeah, but about that wide.
Much better.
That's
I mean, it looks pretty good from back here.
Right?
Yeah. Once it gets fitted right.
Yeah. Yeah, that'll be exciting. So I'm gonna attempt to put the 3M on. If I can get it on, if I can get one side all done and everything, then we will show you guys that. But if not, it's a general idea of what we're going for. We're gonna make it as thick as an actual GTR, be able to run some like 10.5 wide boys all around for the next motor going in this car, since it's gonna be making a lot of power and I'm gonna need the meat. So I'm actually gonna go from 18 by 9.5s to probably 17 by 10.5s and get a big ass tire on it. So yeah, we'll be back shortly, maybe.
Alright, so you just saw us try to fit the overfenders on the Skyline, but now we're going to go take him to Joe and have him work some magic on the car. But I'm going to take a trip down to Tampa and we'll see what he thinks about the fitment when we get there. Where are we?
What was that? We are at
Go ahead and get their pronunciation up.
We are at, oh, I don't have his pronunciation. I need to look how his name is spelled. We're at Catalano Customs, where Joe is out grabbing another color swatch because we are painting the Skyline. We got those overfenders that are going to be going on it, and I got a hood coming for it, and the front fenders, GTR fenders coming for it, and so yeah, so it's time to paint, and because this is a respray and they didn't do a great job, it'd be a lot more difficult to color match the quarter panels and the door to the rest of the car. So we're gonna change the color, the whole thing. I also don't like the yellow that's in this paint, so probably going with a Chevy silver, I think. So yeah, Skyline's gonna be gone for a couple weeks, few weeks. RS3 is gonna be gone for a week or so. That left today to go get the head fixed. It went to go get some head, and and then yeah, we've got a surprise coming this week. That's pretty fucking cool. Yeah, Kibby can't even deny it. It's cool as shit. You know it. We might have another surprise coming this week too, possibly. I guess, I don't know. Kibby sold his Z, so we have to replace that with something. Yeah. There's the man. Look at him. So yeah, so we're gonna choose some colors real quick, and then once we get that figured out, we'll leave Joe with the super fun task of doing stuff. So yeah.
That's what he does.
Yeah.
Just does stuff.
Yeah. He's gonna do stuff, and the car's gonna look different, and then it'll be done.
Great explanation.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. All right. Hello everyone. Is this the same video?
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome back to the video. We weren't really gone, but hi.
It was like
hello.
that.
It's a week later, and we are back over at Joe's Skyline Customs slash, I can't remember his dad's name of the shop. Anyways, we're back over here where the car is getting torn apart and painted. Everything's torn apart. If you want to look through that window real quick, you can see the spoiler, you can see the mirrors, the handles, the taillight covers, everything.
And you can see Joe too.
And you can see Joe.
Oh, he's spraying something.
That's,
oh boy.
That's a base.
You can guess what color it is with all the paints, and I'll put that in like right now.
Leave a guess of what color you think the car is going to come out to be. We're not going to show it off until it's actually all finished and done and put it back together. We'll post up some teaser pictures with shit grayed out and everything. But yeah, like after seeing it mixed, which is like you're not allowed to look at it, but it's like right behind Kibby, and it's like it's gonna be such a good color. And we're gonna see it sprayed today, and you'll see pictures of it sprayed, but you won't be able to see what color it is. And so like this is incredible. Joe was able to get the little body kit stuff worked out, so also excited about that. And I got new wheels ordered so it can actually be sitting properly with the little bit of wide that it's getting. So yeah, so we're waiting for him to lay some like base clear shenanigans, whatever, on all the pieces that he has in there, and then we'll be laying the actual color. Yeah, exciting time.